Hello and welcome back, everybody. If you want to change your app from always to just once on your Android, and you are looking out how to reset the choice between those, today we are going to guide you through the process. So let's just dive right in and get started. You can access your device's settings for that. So tap on settings, and once you tap on settings, you can go over, tap on apps or apps and notifications. And once you tap on apps and notifications, you can just go over and tap on open by default or set it as default. So you can go to one of the applications for that, and you can just go over and look out for the default option here. You can just go over and do so. For that, once you tap on the app, you should be finding an option called default setting within the app info. So find this option called set as default, tap on it. And when you do it, you just need to turn on this option. You can clear defaults here if you want it from always to just once. So you can tap on clear and confirm it up, and that should probably do it. It will change from always to just one in your Android device. You can follow the same process for any of the applications. Tap on the app and then go over to the defaults and just go over and clear out the default, and that should also change it. And that is it, everybody. That's the method you can follow up pretty quick and easy. So we hope this video was helpful. Make sure to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.